Chapter 13, lesson 1. Okay, we're going to talk about perimeter. Okay, perimeter is the distance around the outside of a figure or shape. You can estimate and measure perimeter. Okay, so you see the arrow, just the red arrow, just going all the way around. Okay, that's the perimeter. So if I was in my neighborhood and I went around the block, that would be the perimeter. Okay, how long it would have taken to go around the block. Okay, it says to measure it, estimate the perimeter in centimeters of a piece of notebook paper. Okay, record the results below. We're going to have something like this. So it says use a centimeter ruler. We can do that. Okay, so if I have a piece of paper, notebook, a math book, your desktop, which is like your desk, or a chalkboard or whiteboard. So we're going to have something like this. So if I took a piece of paper and I measured it, okay, I would measure this side plus this side plus the bottom side plus the left side. That would give me the perimeter in centimeters. I think a notebook, paper would be, I don't know, maybe 36 centimeters. Your math book, 30 centimeters. Your desktop, maybe 68 centimeters. Estimate means to do what? Yes. Yeah. And the chalkboard or the whiteboard on the room, that would maybe be 250 centimeters. And if I did it with the ruler, okay, so we actually did use the ruler and measured the perimeter, meaning the distance around the piece of notebook paper, the math book, the desktop, and the chalkboard. We came out to 100 for the piece of notebook paper, 98, by the way, it's centimeters, 98 for the math book, 210 for the desktop, and 1,250 for the chalkboard, roughly.
Perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around the outside of a figure or shape. We can estimate and measure perimeter. Estimate and measure the perimeter of your math book. Copy the table we will use to record our results. Estimate the perimeter of your math book. The two shorter sides each look about 20 centimeters in length. The two longer sides of each look about 30 centimeters in length. The total distance around the outside of the math book is about 20 centimeters plus 30 centimeters plus 20 centimeters plus 30 centimeters, or 100 centimeters. We'll estimate that the perimeter of the math book is about 100 centimeters. Use a centimeter ruler to find the exact perimeter. Measure each side of the math book. 22 centimeters, 28 centimeters, 22 centimeters, 28 centimeters. To find the exact measure of the perimeter, we add 22 centimeters plus 28 centimeters plus 22 centimeters plus 28 centimeters. That equals 100 centimeters. Record the results. The exact measure of the perimeter is 100 centimeters.
Okay, now you're going to try it. Okay, you're going to estimate the perimeter. Estimate means to guess. So let's guess. What do you think the distance around that rectangle might be in centimeters? You're just guessing right now. Just give me a number.
100.
Huh?
100.
Okay, 100. 13. 22. Put something like that. I would say maybe 21 centimeters. And then I'll go ahead and estimate the for number 5 as well. I would say 15 centimeters maybe. Then it says measure the perimeter to the nearest centimeter. So when I actually did the measurement, I had 3 centimeters here, 3 centimeters here, 4 centimeters at the top and 4 centimeters at the bottom. I added all those together, I got 14 centimeters. When I did number 5, I have 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and 3 centimeters. This is a equilateral triangle, meaning all the sides are the same length. So 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 more is 9. So I got 9 centimeters for that one. So then you'll go ahead and do 6, just estimate, meaning guessing. 12. Now it's asking you to do inches, just IN. And then we do maybe 21 inches, just guessing. And then you'll do the actual. So now that I actually measured all of them, the pentagon, each side is actually 1. So I count all the sides, I get 5, so that's 5 inches. Not even close, Miss Cortita. On the trapezoid, so the left side, that's 2 inches. The right side is 2 inches. The bottom side is 1 inch, and the top side is 2 inches. So 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 more is 6, plus 1 more is 7. 7 inches.